So this is part 3. I'm coming with the brush again of how to take care of your dog. I'm the only one that takes care of him. He's my responsibility, so I always have to take care of him. Shh. Video, no. Is he? So I just try to take the whole thing off. When he walks, it makes it difficult. There we go. That's how much came off. Not much at all. I'm gonna walk him on the lead now, just to make him happy, or you know. Let's put the collar on him. I'm gonna put the collar on. Stakes. No. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get him leashed up. Hey, guys, I'm gonna walk him. He doesn't want to come. He's scared. Get it. Good boy, come on. Okay, sorry guys.
I need to go too.
You guys can't see me very well.
I think go here. Right there.
Not there.
Because the car.
We're just gonna walk him around.
He's not getting me never.
Take him out. I'm gonna walk him around.
I don't think
If I fall, I'm gonna die. You guys can't probably see right now, but I am walking him.
You get me?
He's slowly shut off.
Watching.
So I'm just gonna, walk him around
Watching like it's
here so he gets used to the leash and he knows who's the boss and who's in control.
I think it's not there. I think car. Let's see. Oh, sun.
Yeah,
It's
sun.
about there.
Sorry, my friend here.
Yeah, I think it's
It's
sun.
technically not. I have to be like,
Hey, happy.
no, it's okay. Come here.
Oh, I can go now. Shut.
Sorry, guys.
Wow!
I don't like him either, but
I found a bigger tree.
Huh?
I think there's a bigger tree.
Yeah.
Oh, I can go there.
He wants to go with him. Let's go. He's walking with me. Anyways, I'm gonna walk him a little more and see you later. He is now walking.
50 millas. A 55 millas necesitan 3 campos de golf.
You've seen the people.
¿Sabes? Necesitan 300 pies.
¿A 50 millas?
A 55 millas. Ponlo ahí para tú en la prueba que sale. ¿Cuánto necesita un camión para frenar? A 55 millas.
Yo, el camión mío 50 millas. ¿Cuánto me cuesta? Yo voy más grande de esto.
50 yardas.
Más grande de esto.
50 yardas. 50 yardas. 50, se paró el tráfico de pronto. Yo voy a acá, conmigo no tiene frente. Yo paré. Con el mío. La prueba viene.
Sí, la prueba viene. Un campo fútbol más grande de esto.
Sorry guys, he's a little scared. OMG, this kid.
Ow! Ow! Oh,
I don't know.
Yo sé que me voy a meterte aquí derecho a la goma.
I'm scared.
Métete por la goma.
Come on, honey. Where do you want to go? We have to. I'm not following him just to see where he wants to go.
Ow! I touched it.
Ya está la caja ahí con la...
He's following me now.
No, esa es de la metí.
The car.
De la de casa, esa metí.
No, nope.